this video, I'm going to show you guys what happened on USDJPY that we took on Friday, from the entry, from the trade management, and everything that is important enough for you to become a consistently profitable trader. So make sure you listen and watch till the very end for you to get everything that I'm going to share in this video. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it. All right, so let's get started from where it all began from. So you can see that this was our initial trade that we actually were able to take on USDJPY right here. You can see that we had a nice drop based rally with a break of structure to the upside, and then therefore we saw the market going continue to push to the upside, and then we saw the market now coming down, breaking this trend line liquidity right here, and then the market was coming to our level right here. As always, we always wait for the Asian session to be taken out and then see what happened right here. So the market came and touched into this zone and then pushed to the upside and then pulled back. While pushing to the upside, the market broke structure right here, confirming the change of the market direction. And once the market tapped into our area, I was able to send this as a signal with 8 pips stop loss and 153 pips target beautifully. And this was sent. And then about an hour later, the market was already running in profit beautifully over 1-to-7 risk reward ratio. We're able to get on break even on this particular trade. As you can see, I was able to tell the community to get on break even. And then after that, this is what ended up happening now. Right, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame so that we can have we can start from the higher time frame and see what was happening on the higher time frame. So if you zoom out right here, you can see that overall this trade was actually going to the downside, right? You can see that the market was pushing to the downside, but again, if you look at it on the long term, this has been going to the upside. Then let's zoom in right here. So after this downtrend was finished, we saw the market now breaking structure to the upside, which is really, really important. So you must be able to read price action. So you can see that this trend has finished. We have a new trend to the upside. So let's go further to the lower time frame. So after this happened, you can see, I realized that the market left behind this structure right here. So not very clear on the 2-hour time frame. Let's even go lower right here. So we can see right here that we had a kind of a drop based rally with broke structure to the upside. And then we had this liquidity, which I'll show you later on. After that, we saw the market now coming into our area, much clearer on the lower time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, much better here. So you can see that even the order block right here is much clearer right here. So we have a drop based rally, broke of structure to the upside, and then we have equal liquidity right here, which was left behind by a trend and liquidity. Then after this was taken out by the Asian session, the break of the Asian session, also the market came to our area. So I was basically waiting for the market to come into this area. And once the market came into this area, what did we do? We waited for the market to show us that the market has changed direction. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. So guys, it's very, very important for you to do your multiple time frame analysis so that you can get the reasoning behind all this right here. So let's zoom in just a bit here, like that. So this is what happened right here. This is what we call a confirmed entry. So the market comes and taps into your zone right here. After the market has tapped into your zone, it pushes to the upside, right? After the market pushes to the upside, it breaks structure. That's very, very important. So you have to wait for that break of structure for you to have a confirmed entry. After the break of structure, the market now pulls back into this area. And once the market has pulled back, this is the opportunity to actually enter. And this is where we're able to actually enter right here. The market pushed all the way to about let me see, that's like 1 to 13 risk reward ratio actually. So the market went all the way to 1 to 13 risk reward ratio, and after that it was made by this candle right here. It's like this, where there was some buying pressure right there, some selling pressure right there. Then the market decided to push to the downside. We held it on a little bit since we had already put our stop loss to break even. We basically reached about 1 to 13 risk reward ratio before we could see the market now start to reverse right here. So I didn't panic until the market came into this area. Again, we saw the market now pushing further to the upside, breaking structure. I held until I saw the market showing weakness as it was approaching this level right here. And then after that, we saw the market now coming here, creating a higher high, higher low. Then it failed to make a new higher high. And then we saw that now the market was changing direction. That's when we were able to get out with about 1 to 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. We was able to get out from there, and then after that, NFP came and the market just melted to the lower to the downside, and that's how we ended our Friday. This was a really nice trade. Unfortunately, it didn't reach my initial target, which was about 153. However, this market gave us a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely amazing. So you can see that price action is not perfect. Market is going to do whatever it has to do, and it has to shake off the weak longs and the weak short before the market usually goes in a direction like that. Otherwise, this was really beautifully managed. We were able to get out with profit right here. Number one thing, guys, never get out of the market, get out of the winning trade with a loss. That's prohibited, guys. Make sure you find a way of paying yourself, either through partial taking, or you can actually show your stop loss depending on whatever you're comfortable with. Find a way of paying yourself as the market makes money available to you, because sometimes the market is just going to do some crazy things. All right, so this is how it was. It was a beautiful trade setup on USDJPY, and I think we managed to actually get the best out of this trade before it turned against us. This was big. You can see that this was an NFP, boom, to the downside and everything. So if you didn't get out of it with anything in this particular trade, this trade would have actually taken you out. All right, so that's how it is, guys. Just thought I would share this video with you guys, and I hope you found valuable. You find this valuable. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.